we are. We're probably within the eye of what is now Tropical Storm Irene, passing through the New York City now. We're in Forest Hills here in eastern central Queens, and we've suddenly seen sunlight. The hurricane came ashore in Coney Island maybe a half hour or so ago, and now we're getting some brightening. So it looks like this is maybe the eye of the storm. Very fast-moving clouds, some winds, fairly high, but not dramatically so anymore. It was actually worse during the night, and the rain has stopped, at least for now, and we're not expected to get a whole lot of more rain as the day goes on, but we shall see. This is Tony Hoffman, Forest Hills, Queens, New York, in what may be the eye of Hurricane, now Tropical Storm Irene.